Hi, this is Charles with Transcription Portal. This is a quick little video on using the free open source AutoHotkey utility when doing transcription work, or basically anytime you want to change what the keys on your keyboard do. It'll pretty much run on any of the Windows systems, XP, 7, 8, 10. This utility can change every key on your keyboard if you want it to. You can turn the scripts on and off very quickly. You can run numerous scripts at the same time. You can have a script start when you first fire off your machine each day. I use the AutoHotkey to reprogram certain keys, mainly my F1 through F12 keys or combinations of keys like Control-Alt-P or whatever I want the computer to do. This tutorial covers just a few of the very basics of this utility. You download this little file like you would any utility. It's only about 3 megabytes, so it's tiny. Just go to AutoHotkey.com and there it is. You'll also find documentation and instructions there once you're up and running. My instructions here should be enough to get you up and running, though. It'll probably take less than a minute to have it up and running. It's been around a very long time and it's safe. Let me show you how it works using one example. Once you have AutoHotkeys installed, make a little folder to put all your scripts into to keep them organized. Once that's made, right-click out on the desktop, hover over New, and you should see an entry called AutoHotkey Script. AutoHotkey Script. Click that and it will open up a text document. You can name it whatever you want, but make sure the extension at the end is .ahk. Otherwise the script won't run. After you've named it, drag it over to your AHK folder and drop it in. Now go into the folder and right-click the file and click Edit Script. A text file should open up for you. Just leave the text at the top alone and go down a few spaces. This is where you enter in your script. Don't be scared, it's not as bad as it looks. Here's an example of my main script that I keep running all day long. It's sitting right here on my taskbar. I can exit it here. I can also restart it again by going up into the folder and just double clicking it, or right click and click Run Script. It'll stay running until I suspend it or exit it. To the left here is a list of some of the symbols or words you use to write the script. The double colon is your identifier telling AutoHotkey that this is a hotkey entry. To the left of the double colon is the key or combination of keys on the keyboard to hit. To the right of the double colon is where you put what that key or combination of keys is going to do. I will put this list in the description down below the video for a quick reference. You can find the full list of hotkeys on the AutoHotkey.com website. Let's write up an example script and see how it works. Take the open AutoHotkey text document that you've created, and just below the text that's already there, type these entries in. F1::, the symbol for control, which is the caret, and the letter A. This is going to program the F1 key to select all, just like the Control A does normally. Now type in F2::, and write in the word backspace. This will program the F2 key to be a backspace key also now. Write in the rest just the same as you see here also. F3::, enter, F4::, delete, or DEL, don't write delete. And then the caret exclamation S, which would be Control-Alt-S, : suspend. This will toggle the script on and off by just hitting Control-Alt-S. Now save the file and go back into your folder, right-click the file and click Run Script. It should now be running. Test it to see if those keys now do what we've programmed them to do. Try the F1 key and see if it selects all. If that's working, try Control-Alt-S and see if it suspends the program. Hit Control-Alt-S again to see if it runs the script again. You can exit the program by going down to the taskbar like I showed you and right-clicking the H symbol and click Exit. If you don't have your taskbar set up to show the icons, right-click your taskbar, click Properties, and you can change your settings there so that it shows on your taskbar. You can also set these up to run automatically when you first start the computer by placing a copy of the file you want to be running into your startup folder. Another thing to remember is by default this is a global program. That is, the hotkeys you have scripted will override the program settings of whatever you're working in. If you program your scripts right, though, this will rarely if ever be a problem. Hope this simple tutorial has helped you in some way. If it has, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day and thanks for watching.